Hello everyone, and welcome back to the series on Command Prompt. Today we're going to discuss moving a file. The file I'm going to move is located in my Documents folder, so we're going to go ahead and open up the Command Prompt, CMD. I'll make this a little smaller here, and then we'll also open up the Documents folder here. Go over here and click on the Documents folder, so it's this names.txt right there. So if I wanted to drag this to the desktop, I'd have to right click and click here and then click on move here, and then that would move the file. But in order to do the same thing in the command prompt, we need to change to the location where the file is at, and it's in the documents folder there. So we're going to cd start to type documents and just hit the tab and it will autocomplete for you. And you're now in the documents folder, as you can see right here. And now in order to move a file, command, surprisingly, is called move. And then it's going to be the name of the file, names.txt, and then where you want the file to be. C column backslash users backslash scrappy mouse backslash desktop is where we're going to move this. And then I hit enter. And it says one file moved, and it's right there, as you can see. But that's a lot of typing, the C users scrappy mouse desktop. Let's go ahead and change into the desktop. So instead of typing just up right here, you can actually combine, you can change into multiple directories or another path pretty quickly. So if I go cd ... there's two ways to do this. So cd ... moves me up, and then cd desktop. And then we're going to go back in the documents and I'll show you the faster way to do that. cd ... cd documents. So instead of doing this as two separate commands, we can combine them. Go cd ... which is up, and then tell it you want to go into the desktop folder. And now you are right there. Type dir, you can see that the names.txt lives right there. So just the same way we combined the command for the change directory, you can combine that for the move command as well. So if I want to move this back to the documents folder, see it doesn't exist right here, but it exists right here on the desktop. We can go move, name of the file, txt. We're going to move it up one directory, backslash, and then say move it back to the document. Start to type it out and hit tab, and it says one file moved, and it's back here. That is how you move a file in the command prompt. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.